Cadmium is a natural element on the Earth. Cadmium is considered as cancer-causing agent called carcinogen. If cadmium is eaten, it causes diarrhea and vomiting. Breathing high levels of cadmium damages lungs and can cause death. Exposure to low levels of cadmium in air, food, water, and particularly in tobacco smoke over time may build up cadmium in the kidneys and cause kidney disease. Occupational exposure to cadmium is linked to lung and prostate cancer. There is still uncertainty about the carcinogenicity of cadmium in low environmental exposure. Intake of cadmium through diet is associated with a higher risk of endometrial, breast, and prostate cancer as well as with osteoporosis in humans. Cadmium mimics estrogen. Female sex hormone. Cadmium can bind to the estrogen receptor alpha. That's why it can increase hormone-dependent cancer risks, including breast and uterine cancers. Cadmium is used in many products, including batteries, pigments, metal coatings, and plastics, and it is found in cigarette smoke. Exposures potentially of particular concern for children include disposal and recycling of electronic and electrical waste, as well as toys, jewelry, and plastics containing cadmium. Cadmium enters the environment through mining operations and the action of wind and rain. Forest fires and volcanoes also release some cadmium to the air. Cadmium can travel long distances from the source of emission by atmospheric transfer. It is readily accumulated in many organisms, notably mollusks and crustaceans. Lower concentrations are found in vegetables, cereals, and starchy roots. Any person gets some cadmium exposure, but high-risk persons are who breathing cigarette smoke. People used or generated battery manufacturing, metal soldering or welding. Cadmium is one of 6 substances banned by the European Union.